Chapter 18. Forests and Forest People. A large area of land covered with naturally growing plants and trees is known as a forest. Forests are useful to us in many ways. They provide us hardwood and softwood for making furniture, wood pulp, paper and plywood. They provide many medicinal plants and herbs. They provide various products like gum, rubber, resin, latex, coke and camphor. They provide shelter and food to animals, insects and birds. They make the air clean and produce more oxygen. They help control floods and soil erosion. They attract rainfall and keep the surroundings cool. Distribution of forests in India. Indian forest. The forests in India can be divided into 5 major groups: evergreen forests, deciduous forests, thorn forests, coniferous or Himalayan forests, and tidal or mangrove forests. Evergreen forests. These are found in hot and wet regions, and it mainly consists of evergreen trees that retain their green leaves throughout the year. In India, evergreen forests are found in the regions which receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. These forests are found in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Trees commonly growing in these forests are rosewood, teak, ebony, mahogany and bamboo. Evergreen forest. Deciduous or monsoon forests. The term deciduous means falling off at maturity or tending to fall off. In these forests, trees shed their leaves annually. These forests are also known as monsoon forests. More than half of India's forests are deciduous forests. These forests are found in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Trees commonly growing in these forests are sandalwood, sal and shisham. Deciduous forest. Thorn forests. The trees in thorn forests are scattered, short and thorny. They have long roots to draw water from depth beneath. These forests are also known as desert forests. The thorn forests are found in areas that receive very less rainfall. These forests are common in Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat and Punjab. Cactus, babool, kikar and prickly pear are some common trees and shrubs growing in these forests. Thorn forest. Coniferous or Himalayan forests. Coniferous forests have tall, cone-shaped trees which have needle-like leaves. These trees survive in high altitudes where climate remains cold. The needle-like leaves of these trees help the snow slide off during winter. The coniferous forests are found in the higher slopes of the Himalayas and in the Nilgiri hills in the south. The trees commonly growing in these forests are pine, deodar, birch and fir. Coniferous forest. Tidal or mangrove forests. Tidal forests are also called mangroves. The trees of these forests have breathing roots because these trees grow in sticky soil that provides insufficient air. Tidal forests are found in deltas of the Ganga, the Mahandi and the Godavari. The important trees in these forests are Sundari and Nipa. The delta of Sundarbans in West Bengal gets its name from Sundari trees. Tidal forest.